through. So I have two things here. First of all, this is Reflectex insulation, and we use this on the inner layer that goes around the duct as it goes through the window. We have some vinyl windows here, and we want to protect them from melting. So sometimes you get too high of a discharge of heat coming out of the system, and these vinyl windows can tend to warp or melt. So we always encourage you to protect them, whether you're using an indirect fired heater, a direct fired heater. You always want to protect your duct as it goes through the window. So the Reflectex is the first layer we like to use. Has a really good block from preventing too much heat getting to the other side. So we do the first layer with that, and then we wrap a second layer with a moving blanket. A lot of people have a tendency to use moving blankets first. I would advocate for using the Reflectex first because the moving blanket itself has a lot of flame retardant chemicals in there. However, some of the chemicals that are in there that are used to make it can get overheated, and I've seen them char. So this is why we use the Reflectex first, and this is a secondary to protect. So start with this. We'll just go ahead and feed the duct through to keep it simple. Once you have it through the window, just take and wrap it through, and continue to wrap it around. Going around a couple times doesn't hurt. I love to do a couple times, even 3. Then next, you'll take your moving blanket, and I'll kind of layer it on the top here, and then bring it together on the bottom where it overlaps. And once you have it in, you can pull your window down on it just to cinch it down so it doesn't fall out. So that's how you protect your duct as it comes through the window. This applies for canvas ducting, mylar ducting, any type of ducting.